Thank you. We are expecting to learn the fate of Wisconsin's statewide mask mandate today. The state Supreme Court is set to issue a ruling on whether the governor's mandate is legal. It's an order that Governor Evers has renewed numerous times throughout the pandemic.
Each time, conservative lawmakers resisted the mandate, calling it an overreach of the governor's authority. And today's ruling also comes as state health officials warn of another potential surge in COVID-19 cases statewide. Ryan Jenkins live this morning in Milwaukee with more on what we can expect. Ryan, good morning.
Tom, Mary Jo, good morning. This ruling comes at a critical point in the state's response to the COVID-19 pandemic, as the state is now preparing to open up vaccine eligibility to everyone 16 and up starting next Monday. But at the same time, state health officials are also preparing for another potential surge in COVID-19 cases here in Wisconsin. Digging into the numbers this morning, state health officials said that the state's 7-day average number of cases is on the rise. That average now up to 501 cases, up from a low of 350 last week. The state adding 588 new positive cases and 11 more deaths in its most recent report. These numbers, DHS officials say, could indicate signs of another surge in COVID-19 cases here in Wisconsin, which is why some argue a mask mandate is so critical right now. Many would see a decision to strike down the mask mandate as a blow to the governor's ability to steer a statewide response to the pandemic. And here locally in Milwaukee, health officials are expressing some concern about the potential overturning of a statewide mask mandate.
Our city mask ordinance still stands and will remain standing. However, it will have an impact on the community surrounding us, and I am concerned about a further increase in the number of cases.
And I would just add to that, we know that there are key precautions to take to prevent an oncoming spike of cases. And one of those is getting vaccinated. And the other one is the same simple precautions that we've been talking about for nearly a year now, which is chief of which is wearing a mask.
Now, this mask mandate is set to expire on Monday, which is the same day that the state is expecting to open up vaccine eligibility to everyone 16 and up. And during a press conference, the governor was asked if he would extend the mask mandate if the court rules in his favor today. He would only say that he is waiting for the outcome of today's ruling and would make a decision at that point after we know what that outcome is. For now, though, reporting live in Milwaukee, Ryan Jenkins, TMJ4 News.